Have you ever thought about earning daily rewards in Helium? Imagine having a steady stream of income, effortlessly, and without the technical hassle. Welcome to the world of Helium mining hotspot farms. The journey begins with a simple step: registering an account on helium.farm. Once you've verified your email, you're all set to log into your dashboard. Next, it's time to choose your mining equipment plan. We have a range of options to fit every budget. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned miner, we've got a plan that's just right for you. Your daily Helium rewards are designed to match the specific type of equipment you rent. This ensures a wide array of payout opportunities. We pay you out in Helium, HNT coin, which you can either hold on to or trade on your favorite trading or exchange platforms. Our mission is to simplify Helium mining, making it accessible and rewarding for everyone. We take care of the installation and maintenance of the miners, so you can sit back and enjoy your earnings. We serve customers from over 100 countries, ensuring a truly global service. Our clients enjoy the convenience of daily HNT payouts directly to their digital wallets, providing a steady stream of passive income. And with our focus on data security, you can rest assured that your information is well protected. At Helium.farm, we're dedicated to bringing you top-tier cloud mining services, ensuring regular rewards and a seamless mining experience. Our round-the-clock support is always ready to assist with any inquiries or guidance you might need. So why wait? Start your Helium mining journey today and enjoy effortless withdrawals and comprehensive transaction analytics. Your journey to earning Helium HNT rewards starts here with us. Join the Helium mining hotspot farm and start reaping the benefits today.